Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 10-pack UV blacklight flashlight. It is the mini handheld backlight flashlights. They are ultraviolet and you do get a 10-pack. Alright, so today we have our blacklight ultraviolet. They are a UV flashlight that are 4.43 inch long and by 1 inch wide. So compared to an iPhone 11, it is a lot smaller. It does have a tail cover where the on and off switch is. It has a wrist strap. It is powered by 3 AAA batteries. It has an anti-slip design, 9 LED, which is 395 nm UF. It is a pocket size, super light, easy to carry. It is IPX4 water resistant, made by strong aluminum, 39 nm wavelength. It uses 3 triple wide batteries, which are not included. You can see how super bright it is. You can easily reveal food stains, any pee stains with this black light. You can also use it at nighttime to see in the dark. The great thing about this, it is a 10-pack, so you can have some for your friends, your family, or just have extra around the house. If you're looking for a nice set of black light flashlights, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. They are super bright.